Bathrooms. This is another very much it depends, right? We're beholden to architecture. If we all had millions of dollars, we could raise our buildings to the ground and we rebuild them. And I could give you suggestions on ways to do restrooms and bathrooms and showering facilities that are safe and way more inclusive, but we really don't have that, right? So what are the modifications that we can make based on what we have? Is every place accessible? Do you everywhere have menstrual products available? And it's not just in one particular room where someone might not be able to get access to them. If you don't have, gender inclusive restrooms, what does your signage look like? We sometimes if there is a men's room and a women's room, because that's just how things are built. We've put a sign up like this that says like, this is a single stall restroom, which means it doesn't have to be gendered, right? So we made that sign that's there at the top that says roses are red, violets are blue, gender's not binary, this bathroom's for you, right? That was our way of saying it's not the women's room, this is a single stall restroom, it can be for anyone. Or use the restroom that best aligns with your gender. And then it means we're not going to stigmatize or police who uses what restrooms. We're not going to monitor that. We're going to trust that people are using the best restroom for themselves. If you can change the signage, my other recommendation, this actually comes from my office at GLAD, is instead of telling people who the bathroom is for, tell them what's in the restroom and then make the assumption that people are using the restroom that is the best fit for them. As someone that will use a urinal and likes it, it's sometimes quicker and easier, I would like to know where that is. And I will also make those assumptions, right? And like it when the urinal has some privacy around it too. But where's the urinal? Where is a toilet? Where is a baby changing station? Which room is accessible? Right? Stuff like that is important. And then building privacy into that. Sometimes you have control over this, sometimes you don't, but there are things you can do. And I can, in the Q&A, if you want to talk about this, I can kind of go through like my progression of like, here's what the ideal would be, and also here's what else we can do.